10 shocking facts about the world in 2025. Welcome back to Main Facts Global. Today we're diving into 10 shocking facts about our world in 2025 that will absolutely blow your mind. Some of these will make you question everything you thought you knew about our future. Make sure you stay until the end, because fact number 1 will change how you see the next decade. Fact 10. In 2025, our global population has reached 8.2 billion people. That means every single day, over 200,000 new lives are added to our planet. To put that in perspective, that's like adding a city the size of Salt Lake City every single day. Fact 9. Here's something that will shock you. According to Europol's latest research, experts predict that 90% of all online content will be AI-generated by 2025. That means 9 out of every 10 articles, videos, and social media posts you see might not be created by humans. Fact 8. Space tourism has officially arrived. Private companies aren't just planning moon flights, they're selling tickets. What cost governments billions just a decade ago, you can now book like a vacation package. Fact 7. Climate change is accelerating faster than ever. 2025 is on track to be one of the hottest years on record, with some cities already hitting temperatures above 50 degrees Celsius. That's hot enough to literally cook an egg on the sidewalk. Fact 6. Your dinner plate is changing. Lab-grown meat and insect-based proteins are now served in restaurants worldwide. Singapore was first to approve lab meat in 2020, and now it's spreading globally. Fact 5. Every second, about 6,000 tweets are posted and 500 hours of YouTube videos are uploaded. But here's the crazy part. The amount of digital information created daily now equals what humanity produced in all of history up to 2003. Fact 4. Humans are officially living longer than ever. The global average life expectancy has crossed 73 years, with countries like Japan and Monaco pushing past 85. A child born today has a good chance of seeing the year 2100. Fact 3. Here's a shocking inequality. In 2025, more people own smartphones than have access to clean drinking water. This means you can call someone on the other side of the planet, but billions still can't get a clean glass of water. Fact 2. Cash is disappearing. In Sweden, cash transactions are less than 2% of all payments. In China's major cities, you literally cannot buy anything without digital payment. Physical money is becoming a museum piece. Fact 1. And here's the most shocking fact that will affect everyone watching this. McKinsey estimates that up to 40% of current jobs could be displaced by AI and automation by 2030. That's just 5 years away. But here's the twist. It's also creating entirely new job categories that didn't exist before. Which of these facts shocked you the most? Drop a comment below and let me know. If you want to stay ahead of these crazy changes happening in our world, smash that subscribe button and hit the notification bell. Next week, I'm revealing the 10 jobs that will be completely AI-proof by 2030. You won't want to miss it. Main Facts brings you content in English, Spanish, German, and Turkish because knowledge has no borders. I'll see you in the next one.